Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to integrate or sync Trello with Slack. So onto this tutorial, we're going to use Zapier for this one to go ahead and create a app to integrate Trello with Slack. So as you can see, we're currently onto the dashboard already. And if you're not yet onto your end, just search Zapier onto your local browser and then sign up for an account. Or if you have an account already, just simply log in. So once you're in, just go ahead and click onto create here onto the upper left corner of the screen and click onto Zap. So this will go ahead and create an automated workflow. So the first thing that we need to do in here is to go ahead and select an event. So we're going to go ahead and try to click in here and we'll try to search Trello. So click onto Trello in here and you'll just need to go ahead and choose an event for that. So you could click onto this card archive, which is triggers when a card is archived in Trello. So there are a lot of options as well, like triggers when a card is moved to a list, or triggers when a card is updated in Trello, and many more. So let's just click onto this one and then click onto continue. Right after, you'll just need to go ahead and connect your Trello account for that. So you'll just need to sign in first and you'll just need to allow some things. So once your account has been connected already, just click onto continue to proceed with the trigger. So as you can see, you'll just need to choose the board first that you have. So I have one board in here, also a list. Just choose a list and the card that you want to move. So just click onto any card that you like in there, click onto continue, and then right after, you could test the trigger. But since we're trying to integrate this with Slack, here onto the second action, we're going to add an action here and let's try to search for Slack. So click onto Slack in here and you're going to choose an event. So we could add a reminder or create a channel if there is a card that is archived. So let's try to choose send direct message for this one. So just simply click onto that, click onto continue, and right after, just the same with Trello, we're going to go ahead and try to connect our Slack account in here. So we're going to sign in first, ask you to some permission here to access your workspace. You'll just need to allow that one. Now you'll just need to click on to continue right after, and you'll just need to go ahead and type message in here if you want to send a multi-message in here to a specific username, and you'll just need to add in a text. So for example, if a card is archived, you're gonna send a message in here that card is archived. You could also insert some data in here, and there are a lot of options as well. And since we're trying to archive data and send a direct message, so we need to go ahead and complete the step to configure the step that gives you access to your Trello's data to use in fields like this one. So you'll just need to go and complete the setup, and then it will head you to test it. So you could test a trigger and you could try to go ahead and archive a certain card here onto your Trello account. To do so, just go ahead and archive that. Right after, you could go ahead and test it back again and try to check onto your Slack account if it did triggered or send a direct message that a card is archived. And since you have archived a board on Trello, you should be able to find that one in here that there are records onto your Trello account that you have archived a board. So you'll just need to go ahead and continue with the selected record and it will go ahead and click on to continue for that. So you could also try to skip the test and you'll just need to publish this to go ahead and have your Zap go live. So as you can see, your Zap will run when this specific card is archived, will trigger event in Trello occurs. So just try it out. Just go ahead and archive a board here onto your Trello and try to check onto your Slack if it will go ahead and try to send a message that a card is archived. And once you head back here onto the dashboard, you should be able to see that onto your recent app, you have the Trello to Slack integration already active. And that is just basically it, how to integrate or sync Trello with Slack using Zapier. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.